Day 2, 6th grade RST, Research Simulation Task, Geography of China and Greece. 1. For each document below, carefully read and look at the documents and information included. 2. Use the documents, information provided, and your knowledge of world history to answer each question that follows. 3. Then answer the final question, number 7, by using the information you learn from these documents and what you already know about the topics. You're first going to type your first name in the box provided here. You're then going to type your last name. You will now select your cycle number. And here are the documents that you can easily refer to when answering the big question number 7. If you want to listen to the documents being read again, you can go back to the day 1 audio of that. So your final essay question. Directions. Write a 2-paragraph essay on the questions below. Be sure to include evidence in each paragraph from at least 2 of the documents above. Use your own words unless you are quoting directly from the source, which is the document. Reviewing your responses to questions 1 through 6 should help you write your essay. Be sure to use the RST checklist that is attached to this assignment to help you. So your checklist here, paragraph 1 should focus just on China. Paragraph 2 should focus just on Greece. And here is your big question. Explain how geographic features affected ancient China and Greece, and how did trading routes help these civilizations prosper, which means become wealthy. So again, use the checklist that we're going to attach to the Google Classroom assignment, and make sure you're using text evidence from the document in quotation marks, taking it word for word. If you are using a map, you can't take anything word for word, but you can say, in document 4, it shows this. Okay? Try your best. Okay? This is your quarterly grade. Okay? 20% of your grade. 2 paragraphs. Should be 6 to 8 sentences per paragraph. I would shoot for 2 pieces of text evidence per body paragraph to help develop your response into a higher scoring paper. Okay, good luck.